Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Xbox gift card for Valorant. First of all, redeem your Xbox gift card on your Microsoft account. Open your Xbox console or go to the Microsoft website and sign in and go to redeem code. Enter the code on the back of your gift card and the balance will be added to your Microsoft account. Next, go to the Xbox Game Pass app. Here, find the Riot Games section and purchase Riot points for Valorant. This will use your Microsoft balance from the gift card. Once purchased, your Riot points will automatically sync to your Valorant account so you are ready to unlock skins, agents and more. And that's it. Thanks for watching.